In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo or image in Lovable.dev. Let's dive right in with a step-by-step process to enhance your project's visual appeal by integrating logos or images seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Lovable.dev to access your workspace. If you haven't already logged in, please do so to ensure you have full access to your projects. Once you're in, locate the project where you'd like to attach a logo or image. It might be helpful to familiarize yourself with the workspace layout to make this process a little smoother. Now you'll see that there's an option where you can attach your logo or image. In this tutorial, I have a pre-attached logo, but I'll walk you through the process as if we're starting from scratch. This walkthrough ensures that you know exactly what to do when adding new media. First, look for the Attach button in your project interface. This button will give you access to upload an image or logo from your device. It's positioned conveniently, so it should be pretty straightforward to find, possibly located on the toolbar or within your project settings. After clicking Attach, a prompt will appear asking you for further action. Here, you'll need to type in your prompt. This step could be as simple as specifying the image type or a brief description of what you're attaching. It's like giving a quick note to guide the tool on what you're about to upload. Once you've entered your details, locate the arrow up button and click on it. This command initiates the process, sending your image details to Lovable.dev. Take your time with this step, ensuring you've provided all necessary inputs before clicking. Now, depending upon the size of the file or the speed of your internet connection, this process might take a little while. You might need a touch of patience here. Don't worry if it feels slow. A delay could simply mean your image is processing, or the system is handling it to ensure it is integrated properly. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a logo or image onto your project in Lovable.dev. With just a few simple steps, your project now looks more personalized and professional. Remember, incorporating imagery isn't just about aesthetics. It can communicate your brand message and capture attention effectively. Thanks for following along today. Make sure to try it out on your projects to see how visually compelling designs can elevate your work. If you have any questions or need more tutorials, feel free to reach out. Stay creative and keep experimenting with Lovable.dev's features until we meet again.